Hi everyone, welcome to LearnRet Academy. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to bold, italicize and underline text in the Microsoft Excel environment. All you need to do is click on the font or the text, then after clicking on the text, if you want to bold, you click on this bold icon, or you press your Ctrl B, any of the two. I'm using Ctrl B or the bold icon. Then if you want to italicize, all you need to do is to press Ctrl plus I. You hold it down together on the keyboard, then your text becomes slanting, or you click on the icon here, the I icon at the front of B. Then if you want to underline, all you just need to do is select the text you want to underline, then you click on the U icon. And if you want to have a double underline, you click the button beside the U icon and you click double underline. You select double underline, then it will have a double underline. That's how to underline text or data or any set of data in the Microsoft Excel environment. Thank you for watching. If you are watching for the first time or you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe and notification button, like and share the video so that it could be of help to other people. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.